Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our group will present about internal organizational communication during a mental health crisis. Communication plays an important role in every organization because it allows employees and management to share information, coordinate tasks, and work together to achieve organizational goals. During a mental health crisis, effective communication becomes more important because it helps employees receive proper support. Therefore, organizations need effective internal communication to support employees and create a healthier working environment. In the presentation, we will discuss the communication flow, communication culture, and the role of decision makers in managing workplace burnout.
Next, I will explain the organizational structure and communication flow during a mental health crisis. Our group chooses a hierarchical structure because it provides a clear chain of command and communication process. The communication starts from the CEO or top management, who develop mental health policies and provide support resources for employees. The information is then passed to the head of department and management or supervisor. If an employee experiences burnout or other mental health issues, they can report the situation to their supervisor. The supervisor will then provide support and refer the employee to human resource or external support service if necessary. This communication flow ensures employees receive appropriate assistance while maintaining confidentiality, helping the organization create a supportive and healthy working environment.
Next, I will explain the communication culture during a mental health crisis using depression as an example. Depression can affect an employee's emotion, motivation, focus, and work performance. Employees may become less active, avoid communication, and struggle to complete tasks. Therefore, organizations should create a communication culture based on openness, trust, empathy, and support. Employees should feel safe to share their concern without fear or being judged. Manager can conduct regular well-being checks-in, encourage open communication, and provide mental health support and awareness program. In conclusion, a positive communication culture helps to improve employees' well-being, strengthen workplace relationship, and create a healthy work environment.
Next, I will explain how decision maker can manage workplace burnout. As shown in the poster, leaders are key to building a supportive work environment. First, they need to ensure fair workload and realistic deadline to reduce stress. Second, they should provide mental health support through counseling and employee assistance program or EAP. Next, regular check-in allow employees to openly share their workplace challenge. Finally, offering flexible or hybrid work arrangement help staff maintain a good work-life balance. This step help employees feel value and create a healthy workplace.
Now, let's talk about the communication barrier that organizations often face during a mental health crisis. The first barrier is mental health stigma. Many employees fear being judged by their colleagues or supervisors, which make them reluctant to seek help even when they are struggling. This fear often leads to silence, and the longer it left unaddressed, the worse the situation becomes. The second barrier is information distortion. When the message passes through multiple levels of management, miscommunication can happen. Important information may not reach the right people in time, creating information gaps that delay the support employees actually need.
Next, I will conclude our presentation based on our discussion, creating a healthy workplace requirement cooperation from everyone in the organization. Clear communication, mutual understanding, and a positive working communication environment can help employee face challenges more efficiently. By taking the right approach, organization can build stronger trust among employees while maintaining a good, productive, and supportive workplace and good environment. So our key message is simple. Healthy communication creates a healthy employees, and help employees contribute a strong organization. Thank you. That's all from